You aren't burnt out. You're just lazy. You aren't waiting for the right time. You're just afraid to take your first step. You've spent months, maybe years, convincing yourself that your circumstances are the reason you're stuck. They aren't. Your lack of discipline is. You've become an expert at negotiating with your own mediocrity. Remember the question Alfred asked Bruce Wayne in the depths of the cave?
Why do we fall, sir? So that we can learn to pick ourselves up.
But here is the truth you ignore. Most people don't pick themselves up. They get used to the dirt. They build a home in that pit. They start decorating their failure with excuses until it feels comfortable. Falling isn't a lesson if you don't have the discipline to climb. Without discipline, falling is just the beginning of your disappearance. Look at yourself. How many day ones have you wasted? How many times have you looked in that mirror and promised tomorrow, knowing damn well you were lying? You're just addicted to the idea of success, but in love with the comfort of your safety zone too. You want the warrior title, but you have the victim mindset. Discipline isn't a spa, it's a trench, a war zone where you go to kill the version of yourself that keeps failing you. There are two types of pain in this world, my friend. The pain of discipline and the pain of regret. Discipline weighs ounces, regret weighs tons. You don't need another motivational video. You need to stop being such a coward. You need to do the work you hate as if you love it. That is the only way out of the pit. If this hit you where it hurts, it's because you know I'm right. You felt that inner beast trapped in the cage. It's time to unlock it. I don't care if your muscles ache. I don't care if your mind is screaming for a shortcut. Winners act despite how they feel. While your competition is sleeping, while the dreamers are making excuses, the winners are becoming architects of their own destiny. Don't just watch this and go back to scrolling. Prove you're disciplined. Comment "No more excuses" below to commit to your new path. Now, get up. We have work to do.